Welcome. And now let's talk about the hash key. Make sure that you are in your root directory of your Laravel source. So cd, XAMPP, htdocs, and fresh. So we are in a root. And so in a composer, JSON, so under script, uh, so under script, you can see we are copying environment file to environment file and post create project cmd php artisan key generate. So it's a look that php artisan key generate, and we can see when we install our Laravel Fresh source, so key is already generated. So we are not worried about the key, but somehow this key is not generated, and we need to generate key. This key is basically used to for CSS, CSRF cross-site forgery request, and also to hash password. So this key is used. If this there is no key, then you cannot use take your password hashing, and you cannot send farm request data to your model or controller. So let's some uh, some key to generate. Okay, we have a string some key to generate. So let's php artisan generate mm, key generate. So you can see application key base64 is now generated, and we can check it now. The key is generated. So somehow, if you do not have a key, so this is very important in our CSF, RF token, and password hashing. So you can generate your key right now.